In the early days of cryptocurrency, mining had been the only way people could earn new coins and process transactions on the network. However, as the popularity of cryptocurrencies grew, so did the complexity of the mining process. This led to miners developing alternative ways to profit from their mining operations, which includes a rather new phenomenon called MEV, or miner extractable value. While traditional miners solve complex mathematical equations to validate transactions on the blockchain to get rewarded with cryptocurrency, MEV on the other hand refers to the value that can be extracted by exploiting the order of transaction on the blockchain, which can potentially include profits from arbitrage or liquidations. MEV strategies were originally used by miners, but they have since been adopted by other traders. Imagine this. You're in school and there's a popular vending machine that sells everyone's favorite soda for $1. Every now and then, this particular vending machine is refilled, so there's always a rush to get these sodas before they're gone. Now, enter Max, a student who knows the exact moment when these sodas are refilled. And guess what? While you're on your way to buy a soda, you find out they're all sold out. And Max is selling them for $2 each. To get the soda, you now have no choice but to pay Max $2 for it. This is similar to how an MEV exploit would work on a blockchain, with someone intercepting your transaction before you could complete it, and then selling the coin back to you at a higher price, making a profit by front-running your order. As if things weren't bad enough, rig that up with automated bots, software programs and algorithms that are programmed to monitor the network to intercept trades in a matter of milliseconds. This allows them to take advantage of even the smallest price discrepancies in the market, which if added up can become massive sums of money. According to CoinGecko, MEV bots are on the rise again, recording $36 billion in total transactional volume, generating over $24.5 million in profits. MEV extraction has always been a controversial topic amongst crypto or blockchain enthusiasts, because it can have a negative impact on the blockchain ecosystem. So are MEV bots unstoppable? Well, not entirely. Crypto punter Sandwich the Ripper found a way to get his revenge on these MEV bots by baiting and draining them of $25 million. The Ethereum validator prepared assets across multiple tokens and baited this targeted group of MEV bots that he knew would front-run his transactions. Sandwich the Ripper then modified his transaction order and sold all of its tokens that he had prepared before the attack, immediately after the bots bought the baited assets, leaving the bots with a whole lot of worthless tokens. Typically, modifications of transaction orders cannot happen because of safeguards, but Sandwich the Ripper was running his own validator and thus had permissions to modify these parameters. While formal channels have reported this attack as malicious, many crypto users are on the other side of the fence, reasoning that this attack on the MEV bots is just part of the game. While the future of MEV in the industry is still unclear, it's definitely going to be a major issue that needs to be addressed.